Can your financial goals and environmental values coexist in your investment portfolio? As we stand at the crossroads of climate urgency and economic opportunity, sustainable investing has emerged as a powerful way to grow wealth while driving positive change. For Americans seeking to align their money with their values, investing in sustainable stocks offers a practical and impactful pathway to financial success. What are sustainable stocks? Sustainable stocks are shares of companies that prioritize environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles. These companies actively work toward reducing their carbon footprint, improving social equity, and maintaining ethical governance practices. They exist across diverse sectors, including clean energy, waste management, and ethical technology. Why consider sustainable investing? Growing market potential. ESG-focused investments reached $35 trillion globally in 2023 and are expected to grow further as consumer and governmental pressure drives change. Competitive returns. A 2022 study by Morningstar found that ESG funds often perform as well or better than traditional counterparts, debunking the myth that sustainability sacrifices profit. Impact beyond profit. Investing in green companies empowers businesses that are making a measurable difference in combating climate change and improving global sustainability. Steps to invest in sustainable stocks. 1. Research ESG ratings. Leading ESG rating agencies like MSCI, Sustainalytics, and Morningstar rank companies based on their environmental impact, social responsibility, and governance. Look for highly rated companies to ensure your investments align with sustainable goals. 2. Explore sustainable ETFs for beginners or those seeking diversification. ESG-focused ETFs are a great option. Popular choices include iShares ESG Aware MSCI USA ETF, ESGU, SPDRS and P500 ESG ETF. EFIV. These funds combine the benefits of sustainability with exposure to multiple industries. 3. Invest in clean energy stocks. Renewable energy companies are at the forefront of sustainability. Leaders like NextEra Energy, First Solar, and Enphase Energy have demonstrated consistent growth while driving innovation in green power. 4. Focus on ethical technology. Tech giants like Apple and Microsoft are making bold sustainability pledges, such as achieving carbon neutrality. These companies represent the intersection of cutting-edge innovation and sustainable practices. 5. Avoid greenwashing. Some companies market themselves as sustainable without meaningful action. Investigate their practices, emissions data, and third-party certifications to ensure authenticity. Emerging trends in sustainable investing. Carbon credits and offsets. Invest in companies that trade carbon credits or use offsets to achieve net zero goals. Circular economy leaders. Support businesses prioritizing recycling, reuse, and resource efficiency. Water conservation stocks. As water scarcity becomes a critical global issue, investing in companies focused on water management and desalination can yield both financial and ethical returns. Can your financial goals and environmental values coexist in your investment portfolio? Absolutely. By investing in sustainable stocks, you not only secure a prosperous financial future but also contribute to a cleaner, greener planet. Subscribe for more tips and share this with friends who are passionate about sustainable wealth building. Together, let's invest in a brighter future.